What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I am finally back from my work trip, vacation, and I honestly just needed a little bit of time to get some rest in. I feel as if constantly going just had your girl pooped. But now that I took some time to get some rest, I'm so excited and ready to reset my entire life. I feel as if there are so many things that I need to get done, from food shopping. I have tons of laundry, at least about 8 loads of laundry that I need to catch up on, cleaning and tidying up my apartment and all of that stuff. So today's video is jam-packed with tons of cleaning motivation for you guys. I'm starting off by stripping down both of our beds, and I'm going to be making a pile in the living room of all of the clothes that need to be washed, which you guys will see because it is a lot. So overall, both of my trips were really great. It was extremely hot, over 100 degrees in Texas, and I honestly don't know how you Texans do it because I was sweating my behind off. But thankfully we did have access to a pool, so Riley and I were literally swimming every single day, which was really nice to just unwind after a huge work trip and just having that mommy and me time. And I really feel as if we really bonded. But now that we are back, it's time to unpack and really just get back into the swing of things. So I have a ton of laundry that I need to catch up on. This is about 2 weeks worth of clothes. We just got back from vacation. I also had my work trip the same week, I guess the week before that. So lots and lots of laundry to catch up on. I definitely need to wash my sheets. I even want to wash the pillows. So I think I'm going to start with the pillows first, just because I think it's going to take a long time for them to potentially dry, and nobody wants to sleep on wet pillows tonight. And then this small load of just like lights. I do have some clothes in the hamper as well, so I'll take those out and, you know, put them in the proper, I guess, pile of stuff. So get this laundry done, and then I will start picking up other areas. So I've never actually washed my pillows before, but they had a little bit of stains because naturally our like face oils or hair oils get onto your pillows, but that could also be what contributes to breaking you out. So I figured let's give trying to put these pillows in the wash and see how that goes. So I'll update you guys, but if you guys personally wash your pillows, please let me know what exactly it is that you guys do. Heading over to my bedroom, I'm just going to make my bed, get the sheets on there so I can then just tackle everything else on my list.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Before traveling, I try to get as much cleaning done as possible so that when I come back, I can just relax. But there are definitely things that kind of came into play right before I was trying to leave. My flight literally was canceled the night before of me trying to go out for this work trip. So I had to sit on hold for 2 hours just to speak with somebody to get rebooked. And by the time I was able to get rebooked, it was probably close to midnight. And I ended up having to fly out of the Philly airport, which was something that was brand new to me. I had to take the train all the way to Philly, and it was just this whole big ordeal. I was way out of my comfort zone, and I was just trying to do my best to get to my work trip on time. The event actually started on that Monday, and of course I could have flew in on Sunday, but just being a single mom and a mom period, I just do not feel comfortable leaving my child and having to worry about childcare and trying to figure all of that kind of stuff out. So your girl was completely stressed the night before, but thankfully everything worked out.
Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
Finishing up in my room for now by vacuuming the entire room. I'm also going to be vacuuming my desktop just because, you know, sometimes there's crumbs. I'm working and eating at the same time, so I want to tidy that space up. And then I'm also going to vacuum inside of my closet. While I was putting some shoes and things like that away, I realized that there was just a little bit of dust and everything at the bottom. I definitely do need to take the time to go through my closet again and really start decluttering even more. I'm finding out that my style has completely changed. I don't really like the way certain things fit me anymore. It just doesn't go with the sense of style that I'm trying to go with, but that is just going to be for another day. And by this time, the laundry had finished, so I'm gonna go in here, switch that out, and then move on to the next task.
I don't know
Watching this clip as I am doing a voiceover is immediately making me overwhelmed with all of the toys and everything that is in Riley's room. I know that it's been some time since I have done toy rotation, and honestly the reality is that it takes so much time to organize, declutter, and do all of that kind of stuff. But my next video, we are bringing back toy rotation. We're getting back into routine and it feels really, really good. But right now, again, the focus is really just cleaning everything up, putting things away, trying to declutter and organize as I do it. But I also don't want to overextend myself. For some reason, I don't know if it's because of the heat or traveling, the time change, what it is, but I just do not have as much like energy or motivation to get that much stuff done these days. So I'm trying to do everything in moderation.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get white walls with big windows up on the third floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
All right, so finally got the pillows dried. It honestly didn't take as long as I thought it would be. They are a lot cleaner. Of course, they're not going to be brand new. I did put some bleach in there as well, but there is a little bit of discoloration. It's not really showing too much on camera. However, there is this stain that I can't seem to get rid of. So I think the next time I'm going to do is spray it down with that spot cleaner that you guys already know I love, and see if I can get it out that way. Or I might even just have to like soak it with some bleach water. But overall, it is a lot cleaner than where we started.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
So now that we have our chore charts finally complete, I figured the perfect place to put it is right here. I feel as if this is where Riley said she wanted it, but you know, she might change her mind, so this may change, but it's the perfect place that fits both of them right here. I do feel as if I'm probably gonna have to hang some sort of like envelope or something like that to put all of the little sticky things when they're not up there. But for right now, I'm just gonna hang it right here and see how it goes.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo.
I'm glad we were able to finally put the chore charts up, and we have been using them for the past couple of days or so, and Riley immediately got excited to put the different pieces up on the chore chart for our routines, and it kind of just gave her that like excitement to get things done. And sometimes, you know, mornings can be a struggle, night routines can be a struggle as well, because you know, these kids have like an agenda when it's time to get stuff done and get out of the house or go to bed. So this really helped with our routine, and it didn't cause as much struggle as it typically does.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So I have about 2 more loads of laundry that I need to do. The washer and dryer just finished up, so I'm actually going to throw these in right now, and then I need to start figuring out what I'm going to buy at the grocery store, because we need to meal plan, prep, go food shopping, all of that good stuff, so that we can have a productive week.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy.
So before I head out to the grocery store, I definitely wanted to tackle this mound of laundry, get everything folded and put away. And it brings me back to the point when I used to have a completely different laundry routine. And that's why I always stress to you guys, routines are things that work specifically for you. And yes, you can watch what other people do to try and figure out what is going to work for you and your lifestyle. But at the end of the day, it is okay to tweak and figure things out for yourself. But at one point in my life, I was literally doing laundry about one time a week, and I would just do a ton of laundry all in one day. And that sounds great because then you don't have to worry about doing it throughout the week, but that just does not fit my lifestyle right now, and I can't even imagine how I got that done. I say all that to say, I'm not going to say I will never get back to that, but right now doing a little bit of laundry every single day is what works for me. Just got back from the grocery store and it's been 2 weeks. We've been away, so I feel like there was a lot of things I just needed to restock up on. Just some staple items and also stuff to cook for the week. So Riley had requested to get the unicorn mac and cheese, so I picked up 2 boxes of that, some spinach, lettuce, and I spent a lot of my time in the produce section. So I got some apples, oranges, avocados, a green and red pepper, some tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, cilantro, a lime. She really enjoyed these biscuits while we were on vacation, so I picked up a smaller one just because it is the two of us. I don't think we need more than 5 biscuits, so I picked that up. Some cheese. I figured we can go back to the days when we were doing grilled cheeses, so I picked up some cheese, yogurt for snacks or breakfast, some more Pop-Tarts. I also saw that these were on sale, so I picked up some of these, you know, frozen meals, Ilios pizza, more Go-Gurts, some strawberries, blueberries. She enjoyed some Tostitos and she wanted with salsa, which we already have. So I picked up some of those, some bread, chicken. I am exhausted, so I just picked up 1 Celsius, some milk, and then these were also on sale. So I picked up 2 of the Olipop. All right, so now it's time to put my duvet cover back on, and this hack is something that I can never go without again, because the struggle of trying to put a duvet cover back on, it can be hard and challenging at sometimes. But now that I have this hack in my life, I won't just never go back. So I like to start off by putting the duvet cover. You want to make sure that it is laying flat on your bed but inside out, and then you place the duvet insert on top. And if yours has like the little ribbons or whatever where you can tie them, I personally like to do that because it makes the process a lot easier later on, but you don't have to do it because I've done it both ways. But you want to just make sure that everything is laying as flat as possible. You don't want to move too quickly when you're doing this hack. Once you have everything laid out, tied up, all of that kind of stuff, you want to climb onto your bed and slowly roll everything. You want to make it as neat as possible. You're going to roll it up to the end, and then all you have to do is in that little opening that you're going to have at the end of your like duvet cover, you're basically just going to flip it all inside out, which you guys are going to see. I feel as if it's a lot easier to see than me speak over this, but I do want to kind of explain what I'm doing. You're basically just going to flip it open just like this, and then you zip it all up, and all you have to do is just unravel the whole entire thing. Everything is all neat, put together, and no longer will you have to struggle putting your duvet cover on.
goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
Finishing up on the last load of laundry. At this point, if I didn't have to fold any more clothes, I would be a happy camper, but we've come so far, we might as well finish. So basically just putting away most of Riley's clothes and mine. These are things that we had taken on vacation with us, and then I'm just going to put everything back. I do still need to vacuum and finish up the living room, so that's where I'm going to head once I finish putting all of these things back.
They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.